The Ace of Cups appears as a divine offering of emotional awakening. A radiant hand emerges from a cloud, presenting a golden chalice overflowing with living water. 5 streams spill from its brim into the still lake below, representing the 5 senses and the descent of spirit into embodied experience. A white dove descends towards the cup, carrying a wafer of light that signifies peace, spiritual communion, and grace entering the heart. Around the chalice, white lotuses bloom upon calm water, symbolizing purity arising from emotional depth. This entire scene conveys the essence of water: intuition, love, healing, and the soul's capacity to feel deeply. The overflowing chalice is the central symbol. It represents abundance, emotional renewal, and the heart opening beyond fear. The water does not accumulate, it flows freely, teaching that love is participation, not possession. The divine hand offering the cup reminds us that inspiration and grace arise from unseen realms. This invitation cannot be forced. The heart must willingly receive. The second symbol is the 5 streams flowing from the cup. They represent emotional intuition moving through the senses, making inner truth available to perception. Each stream becomes a pathway for compassion to enter daily life. These streams also show how spiritual understanding becomes lived experience when allowed to circulate freely. The third symbol is the white dove descending with the radiant host. This image signifies surrender, peace, and divine nourishment. It reflects a moment when spiritual consciousness touches the emotional self, inviting healing and openness. The fourth symbol is the bed of lotus flowers beneath the cup. The lotus rises from mud, yet blossoms unsoiled, teaching that emotional purity emerges not from avoidance, but from honest transformation. The mixture of budding and open flowers shows both new feelings and unfolding potential. The fifth symbol is the tranquil lake and soft sky. This peaceful environment shows emotional clarity untouched by turbulence. The water reflects inner serenity, whilst the gentle light reveals the heart's readiness to awaken. In readings, the Ace of Cups marks beginnings in love, compassion, intuition, or spiritual renewal. It invites the querent to soften, receive, forgive, and allow emotion to flow without fear. It asks, can you let yourself be filled? When the heart opens, new life begins.